Warning: this video contains fast flashing images. It may cause discomfort and trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion is advised.
What's up, guys? It's Derek and Blake from the DB Garage. Today we're shooting part 3 of the long travel Tacoma build. Our friend Garrett's going to come by and do some welding for you guys. We're just going to do a little bit of montage and maybe just actually show them just welding up on the cam gussets and all the cool bucket gussets and everything. And we're going to throw a little bit of paint on there, but it's not going to be the final product because that's going to be part of the reveal. So let's go ahead and get started on it, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, Garrett's about ready to pull up, so we're going to go ahead and just cut right into him starting welding and everything on the truck. So here we go. burner in. Choo choo. Okay, so Garrett got everything welded up, as you could tell there. Both sides looks amazing. And then he got everything welded up here. He got the coil buckets done, but we went ahead and just threw a little bit of paint on there just to kind of see how the welds and stuff would look. But we're gonna go ahead and shoot a little bit of paint to get this cleaned up, and then throw some paint on it to kind of see how it looks, and then we'll show you guys in a second.
We're just gonna go over the frame with some alcohol, clean it up real nice before we paint.
All right, now, so we're gonna go ahead and start painting on the truck, and we're just gonna throw a light coat on it. We don't have a lot of paint left, but it's not gonna be the final product, but here we go. So, like I said, we just wanted to do a small, just light first coat. It came out pretty good. This is nowhere near the final product. We're gonna do a lot of touch up and get into a lot of detail later. We didn't touch anything down here just yet because we still gotta do some work on the cam gussets and everything. But up here, this is pretty much what it'll look like, generally speaking. I think it came out pretty good. Alright, so now that side's just kind of touched up on paint. We already had, Blake had already done the driver's side of the truck and kind of did a little mock-up on the shocks and stuff, but we still got to wait on the spindles and everything to get here, but we're going to do a couple pan shots and a couple pictures here for you guys of what the driver's side looks like. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. We got a few more parts we're waiting on before we can finally get it all put together. But the next part's going to be assembly, and then we got the reveal video for you guys. So stay tuned and make sure you watch that. Like, subscribe, and share. Make sure to hit that notification bell. But this is Derek and Blake from the DB Garage, guys. Peace. Bow, 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 bow.